Let's learn our vocabulary words that start with the letter K. I wonder who's first. Knock, knock. Who is it? Key. Key. Key starts with the letter K. A key is a small metal instrument specifically cut to fit inside a lock and to move its bolt. Key. Okay, let's see what's next. Knock, knock. Who is it? Kale. Kale. Kale starts with the letter K. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that can be eaten raw, sautéed, or added to soup. Kale is in the cabbage family. Kale. Okay, who's next? Knock, knock. Who is it? Koala. Koala. Koala starts with the letter K.
Oh yeah!
A koala is a marsupial with thick gray fur that feeds on eucalyptus trees. A koala lives in Australia. Koala. Let's keep going. Knock, knock. Who is it? Kitten. Kitten. Kitten starts with the letter K. A kitten is a young or newborn cat. Litters of kittens average on 4 kittens per litter, but can range anywhere from 1 to 12 kittens per litter. Wow! Kitten. What's next? Knock, knock. Who is it? Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo starts with the letter K.
G'day, mate. Crikey, it's sunny out here.
A kangaroo is a large plant-eating marsupial with a long, powerful tail and strong hind legs. Kangaroos prefer to travel by leaping and only live in Australia and New Guinea. Kangaroo. Okay, last one. I wonder what it could be. Knock, knock. Who is it? Kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope starts with the letter K. A kaleidoscope is a tube containing mirrors and pieces of colored paper or glass. The kaleidoscope creates changing patterns when the tube is rotated, and you can see these changing patterns through an eye hole in the kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope. Key. Kale. Koala. Kitten. Kangaroo, and kaleidoscope all start with the letter K. Now, it's time to say goodbye to our vocabulary words. Bye-bye, kaleidoscope. Bye-bye, kaleidoscope. Bye-bye, kangaroo. Bye-bye, kangaroo. Bye-bye, kitten. Bye-bye, kitten. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye, koala. Bye-bye, koala. Bye-bye, kale. Bye-bye, kale. Bye-bye, key. Bye-bye, key. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.